everyone. This is the second video of our series called Essential Skills for Mechanical Engineers. In this video, we are going to talk about plastic product design. Plastic is used in a wide range of applications because it is versatile and can meet any type of requirements. Plastics are lightweight, durable, and numerous variations are possible in terms of color, touch, and shape, giving them a tremendous marketing advantage. They also have low production cost, low density, thermal and electrical insulation, resistance to corrosion, among other chemical factors. Those small plastic products look very simple, but engineering design is involved in preparing them to meet the customer requirement and enhancing their experience. Mechanical engineering is the best field if you wish to become a plastic product designer because plastic product design is a multidisciplinary professional task combining knowledge of product development, market research, materials, manufacturing, quality assurance, and data management to design a wholesome product for customer delight. Plastic product designers work in a number of industries and functions, including consumer electronics and wearables, home appliances, kitchenwares, travel accessories, medical equipment and implants, toy making, covering and accessories for mobile phones, automotive trims and other auto parts, aerospace, advertising and promotional materials. Almost 40 to 50% of all mechanical designers work with plastics. Now we come to the top skills that you need to have in order to become a plastic product designer. First skill is CAD. A 3D design is very important for plastic parts. Many CAD softwares are used for this purpose, varying from industry to industry. You need to learn one of these depending upon which industry you want to get into. The most common software used for plastic design is SolidWorks. It is used wherever equipment and machines are designed, for example, medical equipment, laser devices, etc. Next one is Siemens NX, which was earlier called Unigraphics. It is used for consumer electronics and wearables that are manufactured on a large scale. CATIA V5 is used for automotive trims and other auto parts design. AutoCAD is also used by many small-scale industries and firms for more creative products like bottles, tiffins, utensils, and home interior decoration products. Next is GD&T, Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing. We have talked about this in our previous video. Third is Product Data Management or simply CAD File Management. You can either do this manually by creating a proper folder structure or through softwares like OpenBOM. Fourth is Product Lifecycle Management. For bigger products like automobiles, there are hundreds and thousands of engineers working on smaller parts and components. PLM softwares are used for managing the bill of materials and for visualizing how each part fits into a large assembly. There are two commonly used PLM softwares, Teamcenter and Enovia. Fifth is interference assessment. Now you also need analytical ability to check clearance and interference of parts when they fit into the assembly. Sixth is plastic design guidelines. Bends, bosses, inserts, locking system, fits all have specific dimensions that you need to know so that it is technically feasible to prototype the design product. Seventh skill is technical knowledge on various types of plastics, rubbers, polymers for selecting the correct material, inserts and deciding the desired thickness of the parts. knowledge of plastic manufacturing processes and mold design, so you can make the initial prototypes and also guide the manufacturer. Then comes concepts like design for manufacturing and design for assembly and ergonomics. At Upskul, we have expert mentors who train these skills and help you get into your dream job. See you in the next video.